Carpenter. Oo, maganda yung mga kanta ng Carpenters, Bo. Ikaw lang yung pangit. Ay, tayo pala. We fell in love on the first night that we met. Together been happy, I have very few regrets. The ordinary problems have not been hard to face. But lately, little changes have been slowly taking place. You're always finding something is wrong in what I do, but you can